RIGOL's new MSO5000 series oscilloscopes brings our latest performance design to the embedded engineer. The 5000 is a 2 or 4 channel oscilloscope, completely upgradable with up to 7 instrument capabilities in one. The technical specifications, advanced analysis capabilities, and next generation UI make it a powerful instrument for design and debug challenges. The black design highlights the 9-inch touchscreen display, 4 individual vertical channel controls, as well as the horizontal and trigger controls make it easy to use right out of the box. With the HDMI output, USB LXI programmability, and web control, this makes the UI flexible and responsible for any use case. All models come with this hardware configuration. 2-channel models can be upgraded to 4 channels at any time, and digital channels can be activated with the addition of the LA probe kit. Regardless of the bandwidth, which includes 70, 100, 200, or 350 megahertz, the 5000 series has sampling of 8 gigasamples per second on a single channel that is then shared among active channels. This provides greater than 5x oversampling with all channels active and class-leading sampling at 8 gigasamples per second on a single channel. Here we can see some of the 7-in-1 instrument capabilities. In addition to the scope, we see the counter, arbitrary function generators, digital voltmeter, and the FFT spectrum display, which can be used like a spectrum analyzer. Let's look at 2 ways these sampling and analysis capabilities work to make debugging easy and fast. First, let's look at a fast capture mode. This instrument is capable of capturing up to 500,000 waveforms per second. In this mode, we can immediately see an occasional dropout on the signal. Let's zoom in to 10 nanoseconds per division, and now we can see it almost constantly. To really highlight those, we can use the zone trigger to immediately zero in on those dropouts by themselves. From here, we can use features like pass-fail, or in this case record mode, to go ahead and capture thousands of those samples. You can actually record up to 450,000 frames of waveforms like this and look at them individually in time. Another way to use the capabilities of the 5000 series oscilloscope in your embedded design challenges is to use long captures of memory. This instrument can capture up to 100 million points in a single trace. So we can look at that same signal with the runt within it at 1 millisecond per division. Here we've activated the search mode, which you can see the little white triangles at the top marking each one of those search issues. We can highlight the 6th one, and then we can go ahead and zoom in on that. So within those 100 million points, we can go right in and find that runt pulse activity happening right in our trigger within all those pulses. We can also take really deep measurements of all this activity. So if we turn off the zoom mode and we go ahead and add a measurement, let's measure the number of pulses within that displayed window. Here we can see we're measuring 10,000 pulses. That's 1 pulse every microsecond within this 10 millisecond display window. So those measurements can be made up to millions because of the 100 million point memory depth that can be shown within the display. All these analysis capabilities together make the 5000 series oscilloscope from RIGOL a great tool for your embedded design challenges. For more information on the MSO5000 series or other instruments from RIGOL Technologies, please find us online at rigolna.com.